Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today. It's absolutely amazing 2-bedroom apartment forming part of a Georgian conversion Montague House. This really is a special property, generous proportions and stunning outside space. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the gorgeous grounds of his beautiful home. As you can see, there's lots of green space all around us. We're a walk into Warwick. Leamington's not too far away. If you'd like more information about this exceptional home, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.